Ever wondered how you can make Claude Code automatically check your code before you commit, or kick off a custom workflow with just a keystroke? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 8, where we unlock the real magic, hooks, and automation in Claude Code. Let's quickly recap. So far, we've covered everything from setting up Claude Code, building your first project, boosting productivity with /commands, to giving Claude Code superpowers with MCP servers. Now, let's explore how to make Claude Code truly work your way. First, let's talk about hooks. In Claude Code, hooks are automation triggers that run at specific points in your workflow. The most common are Git hooks, like pre-commit and post-commit. Pre-commit hooks let you automatically run code checks, formatters, or tests before you even commit changes. This means you catch bugs and style issues before they hit your repository. Post-commit hooks are just as powerful. You can trigger deployments, send notifications, or kick off CI pipelines right after a commit. Imagine never forgetting to push to staging or update your team again, because Claude Code does it for you. But hooks are just the start. With custom tool approval rules, you control which automation tools Claude Code can run. You can set up approval prompts, restrict access to sensitive scripts, and keep your workflow secure while staying efficient. Let's get even fancier. Claude Code supports automated workflows, chain together tasks like code generation, testing, and deployment. You can trigger these workflows by command, on file changes, or as part of your commit flow. It's your own coding autopilot. All of this is powered by the mighty Settings.json file. Dive into settings to customize hooks, workflow triggers, tool approvals, and even define your own keyboard shortcuts and key bindings. Want to run a custom script with Ctrl+Shift+R? Just add it to your key bindings, and Claude Code will handle the rest. With advanced configuration, the possibilities are endless. You can adapt Claude Code to your team's policies, automate repetitive tasks, and turn your coding flow into something uniquely yours. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.